Introducing the ASUS ZenBook Duo 14 UX482, the ultimate productivity and creativity companion. With its sleek design and powerful features, it allows you to get things done with ease. Featuring a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display with a 16:9 aspect ratio, this laptop provides stunning visuals and crisp images. But that's not all, it also comes with a secondary touchscreen called the ScreenPad Plus. This 12.6-inch matte touchscreen gives you endless ways to optimize your multitasking experience by extending the screen or splitting windows and apps on both displays. Powered by the latest 11th generation Intel Core i7-11950G7 processor and equipped with discrete NVIDIA GeForce MX450 graphics, the ZenBook Duo 14 can handle professional quality tasks such as multi-layer photo or video editing and 3D graphics rendering. With fast storage and memory, featuring a 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD and 16GB LPDDR4X RAM, you can store your files and work on multiple tasks seamlessly. Plus, with the complimentary 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription, you can unleash your creativity and take your projects to the next level. The ZenBook Duo 14 also offers effortless ergonomics and seamless workflows with its tilting ScreenPad Plus display. Built-in apps like Quick Key and handwriting enhance your productivity, while features like App Switcher, ViewMax, and Task Swap enable intuitive interactions between the main display and ScreenPad Plus. Whether you want to take notes, sketch out ideas, or do precision graphical editing, the ZenBook Duo 14 provides you with the most intuitive tools to unleash your creativity. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US, and international compatibility may require an adapter or converter. Experience the future of productivity and creativity with the ASUS ZenBook Duo 14 UX482. Get yours today and elevate your workflow to new heights.